Hi, and welcome back to another instructional video of CustomJunctionBoxes.com. And we're actually demoing our 6x6x4 model, as you can see based upon the size of my hand. It's a bit bigger. The reason for this is to be able to use power injectors and splitters and have them actually be placed inside the box for waterproofing on the outside. We're going to use this camera as an example. Great quality product here. Manufacturers make these cables enormous, which is a good thing. It's not a bad thing, just as long as you have a solution like we do. We have a variety of different connections here. We have an Ethernet female cable, which is a massive pass-through. Audio in, audio out, reset, and power. So the first thing that we'd want to do is we'd want to pass all our cables through our lock nut, nice and easy like that. Pull them through and kind of just let that sit off to the side. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to actually take your cables, pass them through the hole, and as we pull them through, what we're going to do is we're going to keep our rubber gasket washer ready. And we would kind of do this to resolve a power over Ethernet. So if you were having some kind of, you wanted to have your camera wired somehow and you were running your wires from the outside and you wanted it to freely hang, that wouldn't be an issue, because we would just take the two wires, the Cat5 with the male connector there, and then the actual camera cable itself, and there's your split gasket. You would then put this through there, both wire pass-throughs. Actually, you put it through this way because that's the rounded edges. Not that it makes that much of a difference, but we just want to stick to a certain specification on installations. And then we just gently kind of just pull those wires through. Push that through there. That gets pushed through the hole. Okay, and you see there's still a split in here. And what will happen is as we bring our gasket through here, our lock nut, tighten our lock nut on there, just like that. And you see that line, that split, disappears, creating a water seal on the inside. We take our P.O.E adapter, and what we would do is we'd run our power and data connections. Actually, we would put our data out first, and then we would add the power outline here, just like that. Always make sure your voltage is set right. You have voltage of 5, 9, 12. Each one in each transformer will be a little bit different, but just make sure you set the right voltage to the camera. You would then plug these cables, and you see you have an array of cables here, and this is just a lot of cabling. So, and this is a lot of cabling you need to protect from the elements. Real simple. You're pretty much done now. You put that inside the box, like so, and then you would have your male cable that would be coming in, and the other end of the male, this end, would actually be connecting back to your switch, or your P.O.E, or your P.O.E injector for that matter. Just push that off to the side so you understand that concept. And this would all close down. You would even have extra room for cabling, audio cabling, Cat6 cabling, Cat5, Cat5e, and you would close it off, put on your screws in all four corners. You're done. And then you'd be able to mount it to the wall or wherever you like, the ceiling wall, with the four brackets that are on the side. And that is our actual P.O.E or transformer storage box for waterproofing. Thank you so much for joining our video today.